one of the farmers guys tending to his oysters. Kind of cool. You gotta stop at the oyster places right here by kind of like the south end of the bay. The first few oyster places are Tomales Bay Oyster. You can check out Marshall's store. That's a really good oyster place. Hog City Oysters, and you can purchase oysters there like raw as well, you know, like to take out on a picnic or whatever, or to take home. And if you got further, there's a dine-in also called Tony's Restaurant. That's an excellent place. But yeah, in the south part of the Tomales Bay on the east side, yeah, you gotta hit up those places. If you got further up north, like towards Bodega, the first one you're gonna check out is Fishtarian. I've had the oysters there. It was really good. They have all kinds of other goodies there. But yeah, check that out if you're out here in Tomales Bay. And you can also go clamming too, just along the estuary or along the beaches. Just make sure you have your fishing license. I've really enjoyed staying here, and if you guys do come here, there are a lot of things to do. So just got to be prepared. See what you want to do over here. I've seen some people clamming along the beaches, and you know, fishing off of the jetty, hiking. It's a beautiful area, just gorgeous. All right, let's go explore some more. That over there across the way, that's Inverness. Looks like the yacht club over there. And a lot of people on the weekends love to go about right over there. That area over there, along that, is all beach. And everybody does like the kayaking, all the water activities over there. I was just walking along, I see some clamshells right there. Oh, here's one right here. Is that alive? Yeah, let's go check out. Wash this off in the water. Oh, it's muddy. Is that alive? I think that's alive. So you definitely can go clamming over here, but this has to be a certain size. You have to make sure that you get your fishing license for climbing, guys. All right, just along the shoreline here, you can check for holes like that right there. There's a hole right there. That's probably where they live. All right, let's get this guy embedded. Let's put this guy back. Let's put him inside there. All right, let's go explore some more. So I thought these guys right here was like jellyfish guys, but actually that's a sea anemone along the shoreline. See? It's low tide right now, and it's kind of cool that they're right here along the shoreline. Here's the sea anemone guys, right there, anemones. They're alive. And then the tide's coming in, so if you look at over here, see they're opening it up now. They're filtering any kind of, I don't know, plankton, any kind of particles in the water. So that's pretty cool. We'll touch this. It's a little sticky. There you go. See, now it's kind of closing up. Oh, if you take them off of the shell, I mean, if you can take them off where they're secure real quick, like that, they don't have a chance. They don't have a chance to hold on. So, yeah, that's the only way to take them off. Let's put them back. They have like a suction cup. All right, guys. I was just on my way back, and I stumbled on some oysters, guys, like this. and it's still got meat in it because it's heavy. Oh, this one's kind of light. So apparently, yeah, here's a few more right there. There's a bunch on this side. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it back in the water, guys. Made a little cave over here, so maybe I'll just put them back in there. Hopefully they can survive, and yeah, hopefully they can filter some food. I'm sure they're relieved of the fresh new salt water that's going through their shell, so hopefully they'll start surviving and feeding. All right, that was kind of a cool find, guys. So right there is the little rock that I made for temporary housing so that they don't float away. We'll see what happens if they come back alive. I just found those on the shore. So there's some oysters right here, guys. Going into the rock right here. There's a couple right there. All right. If I had a fishing license, I would harvest them. That's pretty cool right there. There's probably 5 oysters on this rock right here, attached to this rock. Pretty cool. All right, guys, we completed our little excursion over here at Millerton Point Trail, and I did see this sign up here for shellfish consumption. This is what says: shellfish safety notification, sport harvesting bivalve shellfish from Marin. So it says the dangerous levels of paralytic shellfish poisoning, that's PSP, toxins have been detected in mussels from Marin County. The California Public Health is advising consumers not to eat sports harvested mussels, clams, and scallops from Marin County. So check your the annual mussel quarantine, guys, and check out this phone number right here. It's 1-800-553-4133. That is the toll-free shellfish information line, or visit the CDPH Marine Biotoxin Monitoring webpage. Okay, and this was updated just recently, August 27, 2021. So guys, if you decide to come out here and do some clamming or just getting any kind of shellfish, make sure to check out that biotoxin line. All right. They're all in front of the house. Now, I don't have any hay for you. Alright, we're still waiting for these guys to get through. Least path of resistance, just like salmon. Larry from it.
But just check it out, bro.
Yeah.
You know, again, if you're a fisherman, you know. Look at every single thing in that counter, and I know you can't tell me anywhere else that if you look in the counter, maybe there's 1 or 2, maybe 3 items that look good, and the rest shouldn't be in the counter.
Nice.
That won't happen.
I'm gonna tell my friends, man.
But thank you very much.
Thanks, Larry. Yeah, hold on. Yeah. All kinds of fish over here. Different parts. Oh yeah. Clams, oysters, crawfish, nice. Alright, Larry just gave me this smoked salmon. You want me to try it? Alright, he just gave me this. Larry, really nice guy. Alright, here we go. Really tender. Wow, that's good. Oh, that's ono. Super good. Oh wow. Almost like mine. Not too salty, sweet, smoked. Oh, super good. Check out Anna's Seafood here in Petaluma. This is super good. Hey guys, just ran into this place. Got my poke. My wife told me about this place. This is really close to her work. Anna's Seafood. It's a fish market here in Petaluma. And Larry inside, he does it, man. He gets a lot of fish. A lot of fish from all over the world. And most of his fish that are local, he gets from fishermen. Lingcod, anything. This is a great place. If you're here close by Petaluma, it is, you gotta check it out, man. It is, the address is Anna's Seafood Fish Market, right there, 901. I think that is
Lakeville Street.
What is it? Lakeville Street. 901 Lakeville Street. You gotta check it out, man. This is an awesome place. Man, this salmon right here that he gave me, it's a, right there, super tender, moist. It's almost like mine. Nah, this is really super good. Anyways, guys, check this out. All right, thanks for checking it out. All right, guys, gonna try Anna's Seafood, the poke, ahi poke, and have some sauce here that they have, the soy sauce and sesame. Really important. Let's mix it all up and see how this tastes. All right, guys, I already mixed up the sesame, and then it's kind of, this is kind of like a mustard sauce. But here's my first bite. Ahi. So good. There's not even a fishy taste to it. It's so fresh, the ahi. Guys, you gotta check it out, man. Go to Anna's Seafood. This is really quality fish. All right, thanks.